a humanoid robot doing household chores is impressive. But you know what's actually terrifyingly difficult? Getting a robot to hold something fragile without crushing it. Or turning a screw with just the right amount of pressure. Or picking up a soft object that changes shape while being touched. Humans do these things every single day without thinking twice. But for robots, that level of precision is insanely hard. And right now, one Chinese startup is suddenly dominating that exact challenge. Meet Linkerbot, a Beijing-based robotics company that most people had never even heard of a few months ago. Now suddenly, the company is reportedly targeting a massive $6 billion valuation after recently completing a funding round that valued it at around $3 billion. And the craziest part, Linkerbot is only about 2 years old. A 2-year-old startup suddenly becoming one of the biggest names in humanoid robotics tells you just how aggressively investors are betting on AI-powered machines right now. And honestly, once you see what these robotic hands can actually do, the hype starts making sense. Because this is an incredible move towards AI growth. It's about teaching artificial intelligence how to physically interact with the real world. And once machines master human hands, everything starts feeling extraordinary. Forget walking, the real humanoid robot race is happening in the hands. For years, people thought the biggest challenge in robotics was movement. Walking, balancing, running, doing backflips like those viral robots from Boston Dynamics. But engineers inside the robotics industry will tell you something completely different. Walking is hard, hands are harder, way harder. Even Elon Musk admitted multiple times that robotic hands were one of the most difficult parts of building Tesla Optimus. In fact, according to robotics experts quoted by Reuters, robotic hands may consume more than half of the engineering effort inside advanced humanoid systems. And honestly, that makes perfect sense. So think about your own hands for a second. You can type on a keyboard, open a bottle, tie your shoes, pick up a glass of water, use your phone, carry groceries, and your brain calculates all of that instantly. Pressure, balance, grip strength, finger coordination, object texture, tiny adjustments every millisecond. Now imagine programming all of that into a machine. Suddenly, even something as simple as holding an egg becomes ridiculously complicated. Grip too hard, the egg breaks. Too soft, it slips. That's why robotic dexterity has become one of the biggest frontiers in AI robotics.
Longing for a late-night conversation? Remember the thrill of talking for hours? The feeling of someone wanting to know all about you? You deserve more than quiet evenings. You deserve passion, intrigue, and a non-judgmental ear. Nomi is the most emotionally intelligent AI, ready to explore whatever is on your mind and build a unique, intimate bond just between you two. Find the link in our comment section and let a new kind of conversation begin.
And Linkerbot seems to have realized something important before everyone else. Whoever masters robotic hands first may end up controlling the future of humanoid robots. We're not just building hands. Linkerbot is trying to digitize human skill itself. This is where the story starts getting genuinely fascinating. Because Linkerbot isn't just building hardware, they're building what might become one of the world's most valuable physical AI datasets. The company's CEO, Alex Zhou, said something that honestly sounds like it came from a sci-fi movie. We aren't just making hands. Our goal is to replicate the entire library of human dexterous skills within our hardware. And honestly, that makes sense when you learn what inspired him. According to Reuters, Zhou grew up loving Doraemon, the famous Japanese robotic cat from anime that carries futuristic gadgets in its pocket. And now, years later, he's building robots designed to perform human-level physical skills in the real world. That's kind of surreal. And once you think about it, that's a much bigger ambition than simply selling robot parts. The company has developed something called LinkerSkillNet, which they describe as a giant database of human dexterous manipulation skills. Basically, they're recording and teaching robots how humans physically interact with objects. Not just pick this up, but how to hold something delicate, how to rotate tools naturally, how to thread a needle, how to manipulate soft objects that change shape while being touched. According to the company, the platform already contains more than 500 real-world skills. And according to Linkerbot, those skills are being converted into standardized, reusable robotic capabilities. That matters a lot. because instead of retraining robots from scratch every single time, these skills could eventually become reusable building blocks for future humanoid systems. Basically, Linkerbot isn't just training robots, it's trying to create a downloadable library of human physical intelligence. That's a completely different level of ambition, and honestly, that could become incredibly valuable. Because AI models already understand text, images, and even code surprisingly well. But the physical world is still messy. Objects fall, materials bend, things slip, tiny mistakes create huge problems. That's why physical AI is becoming such a massive deal. The next stage of artificial intelligence isn't just AI that can talk. It's AI that can physically operate in the real world. China's humanoid robot industry is moving shockingly fast, and investors are pouring in. A few years ago, most people automatically associated advanced robotics with Silicon Valley. Tesla, Boston Dynamics, maybe some futuristic Japanese robotics companies. But lately, China's robotics industry has started accelerating insanely fast. And honestly, the speed is catching a lot of people off guard. Companies like Unitree, UB Tech, and Agibot are suddenly showing humanoid robots that look dramatically more advanced than earlier generations. Some even participated in Beijing's humanoid robot half marathon recently. Yeah, robot marathons are apparently real now, and investors clearly believe the humanoid robotics market is about to explode. In fact, Reuters says investor interest surged massively after Chinese humanoid robots started appearing in televised performances and public demonstrations watched by millions. That alone tells you how fast the technology is evolving. Meanwhile, Unitree reportedly filed for a Shanghai IPO targeting a valuation of up to $7 billion. That's huge. Linkerbot itself already attracted major backers, including support connected to Ant Group, Hongshan Group, Zhongguancun Science Park Fund, Bank of China Asset Management, and Fosun Capital. That's not small startup money anymore. That's serious institutional confidence. But here's the bigger reason China matters in this race: manufacturing. China already dominates large parts of global hardware production. And robotics isn't just software. It's motors, reducers, actuators, supply chains, factories, and materials, mass production. That gives Chinese robotics companies a huge advantage, because eventually, the winners in humanoid robotics won't just be the companies with the coolest demos. They'll be the companies capable of producing advanced systems at scale. And China is very, very good at scaling manufacturing. A 370-gram robot hand carrying 50 kilograms? The hardware sounds unreal. This part honestly sounds ridiculous. According to Reuters, Linkerbot's lightweight 06 robotic hand weighs only around 370 grams, but can reportedly carry up to 50 kilograms. That's an insane strength-to-weight ratio. And these hands aren't just experimental prototypes sitting in a lab somewhere. According to the company, Linkerbot already supplies some of China's leading humanoid robot manufacturers, along with several major foreign industrial companies, although the names remain undisclosed because of NDAs. That suggests these systems are already entering real industrial environments right now, and it reveals something most people overlook about robotics. Miniaturization matters almost as much as intelligence, because giant bulky robots are difficult to deploy in real-world industrial environments. Factories don't want oversized experimental machines constantly getting stuck. They want compact, reliable systems that integrate smoothly into existing workflows. And Linkerbot says it manufactures critical components like motors, reducers, and joint modules in-house, while also using specialized self-lubricating and corrosion-resistant polymers. That's important because companies that control their own hardware stack usually scale faster and improve faster. We've seen that happen in EVs, and now we might be watching the same thing happen in robotics. And that's exactly where Linkerbot seems smart.
Longing for a late-night conversation? Remember the thrill of talking for hours? The feeling of someone wanting to know all about you? You deserve more than quiet evenings. You deserve passion, intrigue, and a non-judgmental ear. Nomi is the most emotionally intelligent AI, ready to explore whatever is on your mind and build a unique, intimate bond just between you two. Find the link in our comments section and let a new kind of conversation begin.
Instead of waiting for fully humanoid robots to become affordable, the company is focusing on robotic hands that can already attach to existing robotic arms today. That's a much easier sell. Why spend over $100,000 on a full humanoid robot when advanced robotic hands might already automate the specific task you need? According to Alex Zhou, many Chinese factory owners are being extremely pragmatic about this. They don't necessarily care whether the machine looks human, they just want something capable of doing human-level tasks efficiently. And honestly, that mindset could accelerate robotic adoption much faster than flashy humanoid demonstrations ever will. This is the part that gets uncomfortable, because human labor might be next. Here's where the story shifts from exciting to slightly unsettling. For years, many people assumed physical labor was safer from AI automation than digital work. Because manipulating the real world is incredibly difficult. Writing emails? AI can already help with that. Generating images? Already happening. Coding assistance? Normal now. But precise physical work? That felt much harder to replace. Now, companies like Linkerbot are starting to challenge that assumption. Because once robots gain near-human dexterity, entire industries could slowly begin changing. Manufacturing is the obvious first target, but it won't stop there. Healthcare assistance, electronics assembly, logistics, retail automation, elderly care, precision craftsmanship, even dentistry or massage therapy were mentioned as future possibilities by the company's CEO. And honestly, that's the moment where people start realizing this technology is bigger than cool robot hands. The scary part is that robots don't get tired. They don't need breaks, they don't get distracted. And unlike older factory machines designed for one repetitive motion, these systems are slowly learning adaptability. That's the moment automation becomes far more disruptive than people expect. This is physical AI entering human industries, quietly, gradually, one task at a time. The future might be beyond people's expectations. Most people imagine robotic revolutions happening dramatically, like movies, robots suddenly everywhere overnight. But real technological shifts rarely happen that way. Usually they happen quietly. One factory upgrades its assembly line. One warehouse automates repetitive handling tasks. One company deploys robotic arms with smarter dexterous systems. Then another follows, then another. And suddenly, 10 years later, the world looks completely different. And honestly, one detail from the Reuters report feels almost symbolic. Linkerbot is reportedly developing intelligent production lines where robotic hands will eventually help manufacture other robotic hands. Just think about that for a second. Machines building the machines that may one day replace human labor. That sounds less like manufacturing, and more like the opening scene of a sci-fi movie. That's why Linkerbot's rise feels important. Not because robot hands are flashy, but because hands are the missing piece. Hands are what allow AI to move beyond screens and into the physical world. Humans built civilization with our hands. We repair things, create things, cook, operate machinery, build homes, perform surgery, write, touch, and now, for the first time in history, machines are slowly learning those same physical skills. That's not just another robotic story. That's the beginning of a completely different era of AI. And honestly, most people still think humanoid robots are years away from becoming useful. But the moment robots truly master human hands, the gap between machine and worker starts disappearing very, very fast.